Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are continuing our Women and Strength series with a topic that is close to my heart. That is creative habits that build confidence. So when we hear the word creativity, many people immediately think of artists, musicians, writers or designers. But creativity is much bigger than that. Creativity is the ability to express yourself, solve problems and see possibilities where others see obstacles. The beautiful thing about creativity is that it isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, experimenting and growing. So today, let's explore how simple creative habits can help us become more confident, resilient and joyful. What is creative confidence? Let's discuss this before discussing the habits. Creative confidence is the belief that your ideas matter. It is the courage to try something new without worrying about being perfect. Confidence doesn't appear overnight. It grows every time you create something, even if it is just for yourself. From every sketch, every journal page, every photograph, every recipe, and every story becomes a proof that you are capable of learning and improving. And you know what? If I connect it with my theme, with this theme, then theme of the month, then it's not physical, it's also emotional, intellectual. Women have always expressed strength through creativity, whether by writing stories, painting, designing, cooking, composing music, starting businesses, or solving everyday problems. Creativity allows us to transform challenges into opportunities and ideas into action. Okay, so now let's come to habits. So habit number 1 is keep a daily journal. One of the simplest creative habits is journaling. First, write your thoughts. Second, record your dreams. Third, reflect on your experiences. Fourth, write about your gratitude. And fifth is the explanation that why do you journal. Okay, so journaling clears the mind and helps you understand yourself better. And over time, you will notice how much you have grown. Now, habit number 2. Habit number 2 is read every day. Reading fuels creativity. Every book introduces new ideas, perspectives, and possibilities. So, read fiction to build imagination. Read biographies to learn resilience. And read travel books to explore the world. You can read poetry also to appreciate beauty in language. A curious mind becomes a creative mind. Now let's come to habit number 3. Create without fear. Many people stop creating because they fear criticism. So remember this. Your first attempt doesn't need to be perfect. And that includes in painting, writing, singing, dancing, even while taking photographs or baking, designing. So every masterpiece once began as a beginner's attempt doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now there is a habit number 4. Learn a new skill. Confidence grows whenever we learn something new. It could be photography, painting, calligraphy, video editing, public speaking, cooking, graphic design, gardening. Now, why do these skills require? So every new skill reminds you that growth is always possible. Okay, so now let's come to habit number 5, that is spend time in nature. Nature has always inspired creativity. So you can go for a walk, observe flowers, watch birds, listen to the rain and notice the colors of the sky. Because sometimes the best ideas arrive when we slow down and simply observe. Now there is habit number 6. Celebrate small wins. Did you finish one page? Celebrate it. Completed a painting? Celebrate it. Published a blog? Celebrate it. Because confidence grows when we acknowledge progress, not just perfection. Creativity has taught me one important lesson. That is, every small effort counts. Some days ideas flow naturally, and other days they don't. So instead of waiting for perfect inspiration, I have learned to simply begin. Whether I am writing, reading, reflecting, or exploring new places, creativity reminds me that growth happens through consistency. The more I create, the more I trust myself. At the same time, I really don't compare my journey to others with others, okay, because one of the confidence killers is comparison. Someone will always be ahead, which is quite obvious reason. Someone will always have more experience. So instead of comparing yourself with others, compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Your only competition is your previous self, okay. So it also requires a routine, and let's discuss that routine. That routine includes read for 20 minutes, write one journal page, spend 15 minutes creating something, take a short walk, learn one new thing, so that these small daily actions become lifelong habits. Okay, so now there's the power of curiosity. Creative people ask questions like what if, why not, how can I improve my this? Okay, so curiosity keeps the mind active. Never stop learning, never stop asking. And mistakes are part of creativity. Every artist makes mistakes. Every writer edits drafts, every musician practices, every entrepreneur faces setbacks. Mistakes aren't signs of failures. You know why? Because they are signs that you are trying, and trying is always better than standing still. Now let's come to the theme. Women support women. So creativity becomes even more meaningful when it is shared. So support women-owned businesses. Recommend books. Celebrate another women's achievements. Share helpful ideas, because strong women don't dim each other's light. They help it shine brighter. Now there's creativity and mental well-being. So creative activities reduce stress and improve emotional well-being. So like I said, the activities include like drawing, writing, gardening, music, photography, cooking. So all these activities allow us to slow down and reconnect with ourselves. So sometimes creativity becomes a form of self-care. So now let's come to today's challenge. Create something this week. It doesn't have to be perfect. Write one poem. Okay, take 5 beautiful photographs. Then sketch your favorite flower. Start a scrapbook. Cook a new recipe. So the goal isn't perfection, the goal is expression. Now ask yourself, what creative activity makes me happiest? And second, what skill have I always wanted to learn? And third is, what fear is stopping me from creating? So write down your answers, and they may guide your next creative journey. Confidence isn't built through applause, it's built through action. Every time you create, learn, explore, and express yourself, you become a little more confident. As women, creativity is more than a hobby. It is a powerful way to grow, heal, and inspire. So don't wait for perfect timing. And like I said, I also started on that particular day. So write that story, paint that picture, and take that class and learn that skill. You know why? Because every creative habit you build today becomes a stronger, more confident version of yourself tomorrow. So thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed today's video, share in the comments. And the question is, what is your favorite creative habit? I would love to hear your ideas and experiences. Until next time, keep creating, keep believing in yourself, and remember, confidence grows every time you have the courage to create. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.